We will be first timing Brian Lagerstrom's good mac and cheese recipe. Not gonna lie, 3 to 4 quarts of water seems like a lot for 200 grams of macaroni. Plus I can't fit that much in my small pot, so I'm just going to go with 1 to 2 quarts. Turn the heat to medium-high to bring it to a boil. Brian adds salt in after it boils, but I'm lazy so I'm just gonna put it in now. I threw out the package 2 weeks ago, so we're just gonna have to go with the flow. This is actually leftover macaroni from when I made Kenji's mac and cheese recipe, and I'm just gonna use this instead of buying new elbow macaroni. 225 grams of not elbow macaroni. What the hell? Are you serious right now? $5 to 10% is hard to gauge, to be honest. I think I want to leave enough so that I see a layer of water on the bottom. I think I overdrained it. Oh well. Maybe it's just me, but I found this pretty confusing. Let's revisit Brian's video.
Move back over to the stove and then drop down my pot, then turn the heat down to low. Next, in goes 250 grams of milk.
So he walks over, cranks it down to low heat, and then the next frame it's back on high heat again. What? I've decided just to do low heat because I think it gives me more room for error. Pre-measured 1 cup of lactose-free milk, not because I'm lactose intolerant, it was just on discount. The recipe says 6 slices, but I'm just going to use them all because I don't know if I'll be using these anytime soon. Oh crap, I think it's melting on the side. Oh no. 150 grams of pre-shredded mild cheddar. I'll just slowly fold it in. These steps were optional, so I just skipped them.
I like my cheese drippy, bruh.
I don't like my cheese drippy, bruh, but I've learned from last time to take it out earlier because it will thicken as it cools down. I mean, if you ignore the shape and the lighting, looks kinda similar. Let's try this. This is actually pretty good. I'd say 8 out of 10 for taste and 9 out of 10 for ease. Would I make it again? Probably not. I still prefer Kenji's recipe over this one. Ryan also has other variations that I might try out. Feel free to pause the video, but otherwise, take care. Bye! I feel like this is going to be annoying to wash.